Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm so excited to introduce you to the AROEVE air purifier. If you're looking to improve the air quality in your home, this is the perfect solution for you. First off, let's talk about efficiency. The AROEVE air purifier utilizes a HEPA filter to effectively filter out particles such as smoke, pollen, dander, hair, and more. This means you can breathe easier and enjoy better health and well-being. Not only is this air purifier efficient, but it also has a high circulation rate. With dual-channel and 360-degree air inlets technology, it refreshes the air per hour in rooms up to 215 feet 20 meters, covering every corner of the room to promote better health for you. And the best part? That operates quietly, especially when the sleep mode is activated. You'll barely notice it's there, and the filtered air noise is as low as 22 decibels, making it ideal for creating a peaceful and relaxing indoor environment while still providing effective purification. But here's the cherry on top, it features an aroma pad that allows you to add your favorite essential oil. As the purifier circulates fresh air, the fragrance spreads throughout the room, creating a pleasant and healthy environment for you and your family to enjoy. To top it off, our AROEVE air purifiers are equipped with a 2000-hour cartridge replacement reminder, ensuring the health and safety of you and your family. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing the filter cartridge once every 3-6 months. So, if you're ready to improve the air quality in your home and enjoy a healthier and more pleasant environment, click the link in the description to get your AROEVE air purifier today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing products and reviews. Thanks for watching.